everyone, today we're making tuna salad toast. The ingredients you need are Miracle Whip, bread, and sardines. Just kidding, this was tuna. First, we need to open the tuna and drain the water. And now we put the rest of the fish in a bowl. The water we don't need, just toss it. Next, we use Miracle Whip, 2 tablespoons. We use a fork to break it up and mix it. You don't want too much Miracle Whip, otherwise it'll be fatty, but you don't want too little, otherwise it'll be dry. I think it's done now. Now we cut the bread. With 1 can of tuna, we can use about 6 slices of this size of bread. Now that's 6 slices. For the rest of the bread, you can put it in the Ziploc bag and put it in the fridge. Now we're going to put the fish on top of the bread. Now we put in the toaster oven. On toast settings, my toaster oven has 1 through 7. I like to do it on 3. There we go. Now to finish off, we just need some black pepper. You can also put lettuce or tomato if you want, but I like it how it is. Now we're done. And that's tuna salad toast. Super yummy, super simple. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you want to, and like if you found this helpful. Bye!